Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make caramel makhana. First, you'll need to dry roast your makhana. Use a pan over medium heat, stirring frequently for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know they're ready when they become crunchy and snap easily. This crucial step ensures your makhana absorbs the caramel perfectly, giving you that satisfying crispness in every bite. Let's get started. Next, let's create that irresistible caramel. In a separate pan, combine 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 tablespoon of water. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly. Watch as it transforms into a beautiful golden brown syrup. Be patient and keep stirring to prevent it from burning, ensuring a smooth and rich caramel base for your snack. Now for the fun part, combining the two. Once your caramel is ready and still warm, immediately pour it over the roasted makhana in a large bowl. Using a spatula or spoon, gently toss and stir the makhana. Make sure every piece gets a generous coating of that sweet, sticky caramel. Work quickly, as the caramel will start to set as it cools, creating a delightful crunch. Finally, spread your caramel makhana onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This helps them cool individually and prevents sticking. If any pieces are clumped together, gently separate them while they are still slightly warm. Once completely cooled, they will be perfectly crisp and ready to enjoy. Store your delicious caramel makhana in an airtight container for a delightful snack anytime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.